everyone, I'm back. Today, I want to show you a tiny house idea. It is only 5 meters by 5 meters. That means it is just 25 square meters in total. But don't let the small size fool you. This house can change your life. It has one single bedroom, open concept living room, and one bathroom. First, because it is small, it takes up very little land. That means you keep more of your yard for your trees and grass. It also saves you a lot of money on building materials. With that extra cash, you can buy a nice outdoor deck or build a fire pit. This design gives you more freedom to enjoy your property. This house is a blank canvas for your own style. You can paint the wood walls a different color. You can hang bright white curtains. You can change the kitchen cabinets to a bright blue or gray. You can make it look modern, beachy, or cozy. It lets you build a home that looks exactly like your dream. In living room. You might think, I don't want to feel cramped, but this open concept layout is a total game changer. It gives you the freedom to cook your dinner, chat with your family, and relax on the sofa, all at the exact same time. And here's where your own style takes over. Because there are no interior walls blocking your view, this room allows you to arrange your furniture however your heart desires. Want a massive wooden dining table for game nights with friends? This space allows that. Prefer a cozy reading corner with a funky rug instead? You can do that too. It lets you play with the layout to match your daily habits, not the other way around. The bathroom is simple and practical. It gives you a quick shower and a clean space to get ready. Because it is so efficient, you spend less time inside the bathroom. That means more time outside, enjoying your fresh garden air. When you get tired, you have your own quiet bedroom on 2.5 by 3 meters. It is tucked away for total privacy. Enough space to host bed, wardrobe, and a small desk with a laptop. This lets you work from home without feeling cramped. It also allows you to have a dedicated workspace. That little desk with the laptop means you can work in the place comfortably, keeping your work life separate from your sleep life. If you have been dreaming of building your own home in tiny space, please know this, you absolutely can. You have the blueprint right here. So tell me in the comments below, if you built this 5x5 house, what would you change to make it your style? I'd love to see your ideas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're ready to take on your own build and watch previous house design ideas we developed. See you in the next video.